Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuir. In this class, we'll discuss about combination examples on forming a committee using men and women. In our previous classes, we clearly discussed what's combinations formula and we have done some examples. Please watch those classes and come back here. All these are continuation classes. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, our explanation is also based on the assumption that you already have the previous basics. So, a department consists of 8 men and 9 women. So, in a department, we are having 8 men and 9 women. So, from this, we need to form a committees of different possibilities. So, they are trying to ask questions like this. How many ways we can select a committee of, it should include 3 men and 4 women. So, you need to form a committee of 7 members. In that 7 members, you should have 3 men and 4 women. How many different selections possible? So, how many different ways you are going to select the 3 men and 4 women? So, from the given question, it was mentioned that 8 men are there and 9 women are there. So, from 8 men, you can select 3 of the men from 8. So, what is the equation? What is the formula for selecting 3 men out of 8? 8C3 ways. Similarly, you have to select 4 women out of 9. So, from 9 women, if you want to select 4 women, you can do it in 9C4 ways. Total committee is of 8C3 multiplied by 9C4. These are the total combinations, total selections we are going to get. Why multiplication in between? That is the point you need to understand. So, in our previous examples, many times we have discussed this multiplication, why we are applying multiplication. Again, because it is very important, we are explaining it again. Suppose 8C3 ways, if you have done the selection of 3 men, assume that these are the 3 men you have selected, M1, M2, M5. With M1, M2, M5, you can take 9C4 women selections, W1, W2, W5, W6. This is total one selection. Keep the men same, change the women. W1, W2, W6, W7. This is one selection. Keep the men same, M1, M2, M5. Change the women. With each men selection, you can have 9C4 women selections. That's why multiplications. So our total selections, total combinations, different ways you are going to select 3 men and 4 women are 8C3 multiplied by 9C4. The same way with M1, M2, M6, you can have 9C4 combinations of women. Like that, with each selection of men, 3 men, you are having 9C4 combinations of women. Hope you understand why multiplication means, why we are using multiplication here. If you understand that, it is very easy to solve these examples. Now coming to the second question, we need to form a committee of 4 members with at least 1 woman. So in that committee, we should have at least one woman, but you need to form a committee of 4 members. So what are all the possibilities you are having if you want to select at least 1 woman means? So 8 men, 9 women are there. From this, at least 1 woman should be there. 1 woman, 3 men. This is one committee. 2 women, 2 men. This is another committee. 3 women, 1 man. This is another committee. These are all the possible cases where you can select at least 1 woman out of in 4 members committee. So you have to write the selections for all of this. If you want to select 3 men and 1 woman, what is the combinations? 8C3 multiplied by 9C1. If you want to select 2 men and 2 women, what is the possibility? 8C2 multiplied by 9C2. If you want to select 1 man and 3 women, 8C1 multiplied by 9C3. These are all the cases, different cases. We are going to give plus in between this. Why we are going to do plus in between this? Because this is one possible selection, 1 man, 3 women, or 3 men, 1 woman. This is another possibility, 2 men, 2 women, 2 men. These two possibilities cannot happen at the same time. Either this possibility happen or this possibility happen. or in between. That's why we go with the plus. So our total answer is 8C3 multiplied by 9C1 plus 8C2 multiplied by 9C2 plus 8C1 multiplied by 9C3. If you do the mathematics here, total you are going to get 2310 total number of combinations you are going to get in order to form at least one woman committee. Now coming to the next one, this is very similar to the above. You need to form a committee of 4 persons with at most one man. At most one man means you can have 0 men or 1 man. Maximum you are going to have 1 man. So you are having 8 men and 9 women. Out of this you can select 0 men or 1 man. If you select 0 men, you are going to select 4 women. If you select 1 man, you are going to select 3 women. It's very easy. 8C0 multiplied by 9C4 plus 8C1 multiplied by 9C3. Total you are having 798 selections. You do the math. Same thing above. That's why we are not focusing much here. Now coming to the last one. You need to form a committee of 4 persons so that 2 specific are not included. So total you are having 8 men and 9 women, means total persons you are having 17 persons are there. What are all the 4% possibilities? Total number of selections you can do using 17 persons, 8 men and 9 women. Total you can form 17C4 selections. Different possible combinations you can do using a 17 persons, 17C4. Out of this, they are asking that 2 specific, they are not mentioning either men or women, 2 specific persons are not to be included. You should not include 2 specific persons. In this type of situations, we go with negation. Negation means 2 specific persons included. If you include the 2 specific persons, means you have to select a committee of 4 members. 2 specific members are included. Take these 2 are fixed. Remaining 2 persons you can choose out of, if from 17 if you take out 2 of them, how many are remaining? 15 are remaining. From that you can select any 2. 15C2 ways, because remaining 2 persons are fixed. 2 persons are fixed. Remaining 2 persons you can change. So 2 specific persons included means 15C2 possibilities. From the total, if you minus the 15C2, 2 specifics included, you are going to get 2 specific not included equal to total minus 2 specific included, which is 17C4 minus 15C2. This is what your output is going to be. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest update. Thank you.